Alexa, turn on living room light. Okay. Alexa, turn off living room light. Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharena, and if you are new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button and become one of my YouTube friends. If you're already one of my YouTube friends, hey friend, hey. So this is the last moving series episode. Yeah, moving vlog series episode. Already moved in, everything's pretty much in and in the place that it should be. However, I have to run to a few stores and get that done. There's a list of things. I have a list with me, and there's a list of things that I need to get. So yeah, let's go. We need to go to Walmart, Ikea. Definitely go to Ikea first because I do believe they're about to close soon, and then head over to Walmart. Don't think I'm stopping anywhere else. I don't think so. But then when we get back, we still got work to do because my end tables came in, so I need to put those together. And I bought those under sink storage things from Ikea, and they just got here too. So we got some work to do. So come on. Y'all, one thing my social battery is gonna do is die in Walmart. Every time. So left Ikea, just left Walmart. Trying to get out the parking lot. I'll talk to y'all when I'm home. As you can see, it is a new day because like I said yesterday, my social battery, child, it was already draining, and then I went shopping, dealt with traffic, so it was dead. Y'all, I went to sleep at like 7 o'clock. It had to be like 7, 8 o'clock. I feel like it was 7. I didn't get up till 4:30, 5 o'clock this morning. That's how over the day I was. So let's go through the things that I purchased. They're all behind me, but I also need to put things together because I bought them from Ikea. And then what else did I say? I had to put together the end tables that I got from Amazon. Oh, and that storage thing that I just bought too. So we got work to do. All the stuff that I just purchased is from Ikea first, and then we'll go into the few things that I got from Walmart. But this is a queen size pillow. It's supposed to be a high pillow. It's supposed to be a high pillow. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna like that. I wasn't too short in the store, but I needed some pillows, so I just got them. I should have just went to Target, but whatever. So I got 2 queen size pillows. I don't know, they might work. This right here is the thing I've been really questioning myself on, but I'm not about to go all the way back out there just to return this one thing. So I'm gonna try it out. It's a a drying rack. It is a drying rack for your dishes. Now here's the thing, I like that it doesn't take a lot of space, but I just feel like I've been so used to one style of these for so many years that is that right? I feel like I've been so used to one style for so long that it's like, am I gonna like this? I don't know. So this is what it looks like. I'm really trying to figure out, is it supposed to be like this? No? No. I think it's supposed to be like this. And it just sits on the counter like this. So this would be for like a pot or maybe bowls, and this will be plates, saucers, was it utensils right here? I don't know about back here, but this is how it would be. And this is just different. I'm just used to those, you know, the wider style kind that everybody's grandmama got in the kitchen. So we'll see. Next on the list are, okay, so this was really a stool. That's how they labeled it. But I need plant. I need plant holders, and I didn't like how I didn't really care for the plant holders that they had. I just love how you gotta put everything together. Like that's, I mean, it's just a stool. Why? 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 Tools, just to put a stool together. Crazy. But anyway, I didn't really like the pot holders that they had, and then they had two where they would match. They would match the one that I have for one plant, but I would have to buy those. I think they were $10 a piece, and I would have to spray paint them black. So the one that I have, I was gonna spray paint it black, but I couldn't find the spray paint at Ikea. So I'm going to I'm gonna paint it black instead. Wow, there's so many pieces. So many pieces for one stool. Okay, I'll do this later, but let's try this out. Okay, so here's the vision. The vision is to put the screws on here like I'm supposed to, and then put this on here. Yeah, I think I like that. I think I like that. And then it'll go right here. So now my plants are finally off the floor. So the goal would be to have this one here, and then that other plant right there, we'll get that one on a stool and then have them on the sides. Just put the screws in the stool so it can stop leaning. But we'll do that later. I got this for the bathroom. Thought this would be really cute. And then to put some eucalyptus in here, I think it'll be nice. I still need to find a tray. These I freaking love. These are the cork pot holders. So when you have a hot pot and you put it on the counter, you sit it on these. It's 3 of them in a pack. So love those. And then non-scented candles. Probably should have bought more of these, but I did not. And I have all these wax warmers. I have a candle that's being melted down right now. So there's a lot of smells going on. So if I want to light a candle, it wouldn't make sense to light a candle because it's already a lot of scents. Because I have the Glade plugins too. Cranberry fireside kind of scent going on throughout my house as you move around. And then I also have a rose, it's not strong, but a rose candle that's melted down too. I don't even know how much you can smell that compared to all the other scents. I don't know why I have all these scents going on at one time. I got a lamp, which I'm gonna move that lamp that's in here to my room, and I'm gonna put this lamp in the living room. And I think it's so funny how I was like, everybody decorates with black and they're doing like minimalist styles in their house and everything is black, white, and beige. And I want color in my house. Child, why is everything black? Kitchen, I already knew that I was gonna do the kitchen black. Okay, fine. Then I realized after I made that decision and started buying stuff for the kitchen in black, then I realized, oh, the furniture in the living room is black also. So now I need black stuff in the living room. The dining room is gray because of the dining room set is gray. Incorporate some greens in that. And then there will be some type of color in the living room, in the dining room, but the living room ended up being black. My bathroom is black. Like, what? How did we get here? How did we get here? I don't know how it happened, but the next thing I know, everything is black. Is this how this works? Is that how everyone else's house ended up being like black, white, and beige? Because you buy one thing or you do one room and then the next thing you know, everything is the same color. Incorporate some greens in that. And then there will be some type of color in the living room, in the dining room, but the living room ended up being black. My bathroom is black. Like, what? How did we get here? How did we get here? I don't know how it happened, but the next thing I know, everything is black. Is this how this works? Is that how everyone else's house ended up being like black, white, and beige? Because you buy one thing or you do one room and then the next thing you know, everything is the same color. New couch next year, but with getting a new couch next year, what color would I get? Would I do the beige? The gray of this couch kind of connects the gray with the dining room, but I don't want another gray couch, so I don't know. Stay tuned for the next series of Dragon Ball Z when we figure it out, because it is not on my list currently. Not on my list at all of things that I even care to think about, do anything. You know what's crazy? I do not see the difference between these two lamps, but they had two different prices. So could I have just bought the $7? They were on sale, but there was one that was $7.50 and there was one that was $10.99. Or did I just buy? Did I buy the same lamp twice? I bought the same lamp twice. Okay. Definitely thought I bought 2 different lamps. Definitely thought I bought 2 different lamps. Now we gotta see if Alexa's still gonna work. Alexa, turn the living room light off.
Sorry, living room isn't responding.
I bet you it's not. I bet you it's not. Alexa, connect living room light.
Searching.
Okay. Can't worry about that right now. Connect living room light.
Searching.
Alexa, turn off living room light.
Okay.
Okay, there we go. Grabbed this from CVS. You get coupons from CVS, use them. I got this for $4. The Olay sea salt. This is my favorite scent, and apparently it's hard to find because Walmart and Target haven't been having this scent in stock, but CVS has a lot. $4. Use your coupons. Okay, so a few more things. Oh, I bought a new, every time I move, I buy a new one of these. Don't care if I've lived here for 6 months, don't care if I lived here for a year, I always buy a new toilet cleaner. And they're at Ikea for $1.99, like why not? And then I got trash bins. My room, bathroom and son's room, because clearly everything is black and white around here. You know, I don't know. I don't know how to. Okay, so I'm now on the floor because, I mean, why not put these stools together now? What I have to do next is put everything together. And when I originally looked at this, I was like, oh, I can't figure this out on my own. Because, you know, you put one IKEA piece together, you can figure it out, right? Yeah, no, I couldn't. And now here's the part where I do exactly what they tell you not to do because it's all I got. Boom, it's sturdy, because why would IKEA tell you don't use a drill? Okay, well you should have gave me the screw then. And since you didn't give me the screw, I'm gonna use what I got to get what I want. I put them together. This is how they look. I feel like it looks like a little bit bigger, but we're just gonna leave it how it is. We're still on the floor because why? There's more. So I bought the 2-tier storage baskets to go hopefully one under the bathroom sink, one under the kitchen sink, but we'll see. Mainly because the last apartment I bought some, I think it was Clorox, and I don't know if it just got too hot in there or what happened, but the Clorox bottle exploded in the under the sink and kind of messed the sink up a little. I mean, like messed the wood of the bottom underneath the sink a little bit. Wow, there's a lot of pieces. So to keep that from happening, which I don't have Clorox this go round, hopefully won't be buying it either, even though I love that cleaner, but I don't want that to happen again. So I'm gonna buy, well, I bought these storage baskets to keep like cleaning supplies under the sink, but not have it directly on, you know, under the sink. Hopefully this will help a little bit. There are holes, but I just hope that doesn't happen. Hopefully that just never happens again. Because I just started smelling bleach one day and was like, why does it smell like bleach in here? Yeah. The Clorox definitely exploded under the sink. And even though they didn't, they got me for some other stuff when it came to my security deposit that we not even gonna speak on, because I'm debating on oh, they're two different sizes. Okay. I'm debating on sending a corporate email because I'm just not understanding why I have to pay to replace carpet that you would typically replace anyway when someone has lived there for 3 years. Like, why is that coming out of my security deposit? But anywho, it's a sunny day and I don't feel the need to be pissed off about that. So okay, I think I'm done. This is what it looks like. This is what the smaller size looks like. You know, you can put like a sponge or something here. I don't know what I could put here, but this is the smaller size. This is nice. Here's the bigger size. And then here's the smaller size. In comparison, I think they're great sizes. Okay, so here's the smaller size. I just put some Drano and then the refill of the hand soap, some bathroom sprays, some Comet, and then some sponges in here. So that's what it looks like. Everything is right here in this little area to the left, just right in the corner. I still have a lot of space, so this is perfect. So I have everything to the right. There's some more trash bags here, even though I have some right there, but I have some there too. And then that's the holder that I have forever from Ikea for all the trash bags, because you know we don't be throwing those away. But now I have space. I have a lot of space actually, all because of this storage.
Moved out of state and shit that went left. She seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she want a loan and start up a business. Her daddy is not around. Her mama is not around. I watch her climb on the top of the pole and then get sliding down. I make it rain in this bitch. I make it snow in this bitch. She trying to get out of the mix. Shawty is going to G. Shawty is going to G. Me, I'm supporting this shit. This is a story that came from my life, and I'm just recording this shit. I'ma just give it to you direct instead of me throwing this shit. You know you important this shit. You know I'm supporting this shit. We used to do pornos when you would come over, but now you got morals and shit. I got like 4 on the wrist and an adorable kid. I got a Drake in the studio, and that don't just mean that I'm in this bitch. Please make the most of this shit. Don't just come close to some shit. I give you this bread, you rub me some head, and then you go blow up a beat. She moved out of state and shit that went left. She seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone and start up a business. Her daddy is not around, her mama is not around. I watch her climb to the top of the pole and niggas. I make it rain in this bitch. I make it snow in this bitch. She tryna get out of the mix. Shawty is going legit. Shawty is going legit. Me, I'm supporting this shit. This is a story that came from my life, and I'm supporting this shit. Daddy's not around, mama's definitely not around. She got a business plan, but she just ain't had time to write it down. Stay with her sister now, she got a man, but he out of town. Soon as he out of town, they hop in his whip and they ride around. I watch her climb to the top of the pole, and nigga slide. Thought about trapping to play before, but that just ain't right. Look in the mirror if you wanna look at some things on the bright side. You potted 325, you feeling too good to worry tonight. She moved out of state and shit that went left, she seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone and start up a business. Her daddy is not around, her mama is not around. I watch her climb to the top of the pole and niggas. I make it rain in this bitch, I make it snow in this bitch. She tryna get out of the mix. Shawty is going legit. Shawty is going legit. Me, I'm supporting this shit. This is a story that came from my life, and I'm just